Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Mr. Coffee pitcher is probably one of the most underappreciated components of your morning routine. A cracked or cloudy pitcher can ruin the whole experience, but finding the right replacement can be a hassle. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Mr. Coffee pitchers, exploring what makes a good one, and helping you choose the perfect replacement to keep your coffee flowing smoothly. Number 5. Takeya Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker, 2 Quart, Black. This is the Takeya Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker. It's an airtight pitcher with a leak-free lid. This makes delicious cold brew coffee at home. The pitcher is made from BPA-free Tritan plastic. It's also dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. Enjoy your cold brew without worry. It features a comfortable silicone handle for easy pouring. The handle provides a secure grip when you're serving your cold brew. This cold brew maker has a 2-quart capacity. It's perfect for making a large batch to enjoy throughout the week. Please refer to the user guide before the first use. It will guide you through the process of making the perfect cold brew. What we like. This cold brew maker is perfect for those who prioritize freshness and convenience. Its airtight seal keeps your brew at its best, and the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. If you are looking for a simple, easy-to-use cold brew maker, this is the one for you. What people say. The pitcher is exactly what I needed. It fits perfectly and works great. The pitcher is the perfect replacement. Number 4. Mr. Coffee Replacement Carafe, 12 Cup. This 12-cup replacement carafe is designed specifically for your Mr. Coffee machine. It's the ideal solution if you've lost or broken your original pot. Make sure to check your model number for compatibility. Before you buy, confirm this carafe fits your coffee maker. It's compatible with many Mr. Coffee series, including AM, CG, and more. Also compatible with Sunbeam and Oster models. The carafe is made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, which is also dishwasher safe and BPA-free. This ensures the coffee pot is durable and safe for everyday use. It features a comfortable grip handle for easy pouring and cleaning. The handle is designed for a secure hold, making it easy to serve your coffee. Trust this replacement carafe to perform just as well as your original. It's built to last, providing you with years of reliable service. It's a great replacement for your old or worn-out carafe. What we like. This replacement carafe is designed for those who need a reliable and easy-to-use replacement. The comfort grip handle makes pouring easy, and the dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleaning. If you are looking for a replacement carafe that is easy to clean and use, this is a great choice. What people say. Everything fit and worked perfectly as soon as I started using it. Bought this one and first reaction, OHNO. It doesn't fit. But then I saw the adjustable top part. Clipped on a larger top and boom, perfect fit. This product is awesome cause it comes with 4 additional lid domes in case you need to adjust the lid height. Number 3. Wirsh Iced Tea and Coffee Maker with 3 Cutie Pitcher. Want to enjoy your favorite cold drinks at home? This maker allows you to easily create iced coffee, tea, latte, and lemonade with just a push of a button. It's that simple. This machine includes a large 3-quart glass pitcher. It can brew up to 12 cups of tea or coffee at once. The pitcher is designed for easy use and cleaning, even dishwasher safe. You can easily adjust the flavor strength. The strength selector dial lets you choose your desired flavor, from mild to strong. Customize it to your preference. It comes with a reusable, removable filter basket. This feature works with various types of coffee and tea. This design helps save money and reduces waste. The glass pitcher is made of high-temperature resistant, food-grade glass. All parts that contact water and coffee are BPA-free. Plus, it offers customer service and a warranty, ensuring a worry-free purchase. What we like. This iced tea maker is perfect for those who love iced coffee and tea. It allows you to customize the strength of your brew. If you like to have control over the strength of your drinks, you should consider this. What people say. The pitcher is exactly what I needed. It fits perfectly and works great. It is the exact replacement for my coffee maker. Number 2. County Line Kitchen 2-quart cold brew coffee maker. Making cold brew is now incredibly easy. You just fill the filter with coffee grounds, add cold water, and let it steep. It's that simple. The flip cap pour spout makes pouring a breeze, eliminating spills. The leak-proof lid keeps your brew secure, so you can take it anywhere. The high-quality mesh filter keeps grounds out of your drink. This ensures a smooth, clean brew every time, perfect for coffee and tea. This mason jar is built to withstand rough handling and is BPA-free. It's a cold brew pitcher and maker in one, and it's guaranteed to satisfy. Perfect for home or on the go, it has a handle for easy carrying. Save yourself a trip to the coffee shop while you work from home with it. What we like. This cold brew maker is perfect for those who want a simple and mess-free brewing experience. Its leak-proof lid and easy-to-clean design make it ideal for travel. If you are looking for a cold brew maker that is easy to take with you, this is the one for you. What people say. The pitcher fits perfectly and works great. The pitcher is exactly what I needed. It works perfectly. Number 1. Mr. Coffee 12-cup glass carafe, white. This is a replacement carafe for your Mr. Coffee machine. It holds up to 12 cups of coffee, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the day. This carafe is designed to fit a variety of Mr. Coffee models. Check the list to see if it's compatible with yours. It's a convenient way to keep your coffee maker running smoothly. It fits Mr. Coffee AMX, MV, CG, DW, SK, VB, EHX, SJX, and JWX series coffee machines. Ensure a perfect fit for your specific model. Cleaning is easy with this carafe. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after you've enjoyed your coffee. Simply place it in the dishwasher. With this replacement carafe, you can continue to enjoy fresh, delicious coffee. It's a simple solution to keep your coffee maker in top condition. What we like. This replacement carafe is perfect for those who own a Mr. Coffee machine. It is designed to fit your machine perfectly. If you are looking for a replacement carafe that is easy to clean, this is a great choice. What people say. The pitcher fits perfectly and works great. The product is exactly what I needed and works perfectly. The replacement pitcher is an exact match and works as it should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.